Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the voice changer functionality on 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website 11labs.io/app/home, and once on the website, click on the sidebar menu to give you this menu here. Then click on the voice changer and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. All you have to do to change your voice now is to first you can either upload your audio file or video file, and then or also record your audio. Then you can proceed to the voice section here to select the voice you would love to change it to. Currently is at Natasha, who is an African American woman. You can choose any of your voice here or pick a new voice here. So once you're done selecting the voice, you can choose the preferred model, and you can also regulate the stability, similarity, and the style exaggeration for a more for a proper variation of the voice. And then you can also click on the remove background noise if the audio has a lot of background noise there. So this is how to use the voice changer application on 11 Labs. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video and what you would love to see in the upcoming ones. And do have a great day.